Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how your iPhone's personal hotspot functions. Many people wonder if their iPhone can use Wi-Fi and a hotspot simultaneously. It's important to understand that your iPhone's personal hotspot is designed to share its cellular data connection with other devices. While your iPhone can connect to a Wi-Fi network for its own internet access, the hotspot feature operates independently, drawing its internet from your cellular plan. This ensures a reliable connection for all devices linked to your hotspot. To activate your personal hotspot, simply navigate to your iPhone settings menu. From there, tap on Personal Hotspot and toggle the switch to the on position. Remember, your cellular data must be enabled for the hotspot to work. You have the flexibility to share your connection through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even a USB cable, offering versatile options for connecting various devices. Setting a strong password is also crucial for security. It's a common misconception that your iPhone's personal hotspot can rebroadcast an existing Wi-Fi signal. However, this is not how the feature operates. Even if your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network, its personal hotspot will always utilize your cellular data plan to provide internet access to connected devices. This design ensures that the hotspot provides a dedicated and stable internet source, separate from your iPhone's own Wi-Fi connection, offering consistent performance. To make the most of your personal hotspot, consider a few key tips. Always monitor your cellular data usage closely to avoid unexpected overage charges, especially with multiple devices connected. Hotspot functionality can significantly drain your iPhone's battery, so keeping it charged or connected to a power source is highly recommended. Finally, always use a strong, unique password for your hotspot to protect your connection from unauthorized access and maintain your privacy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.